let's go to this Marshalls Home Goods. I haven't been here in a long time. So it's a Marshalls and a Home Goods together, like in one store. We don't have a lot of these out here in Long Island, but this one is a little bit further out. They had some really nice, like, quality pieces in this one too. They had some like designer items too. But right when you walked in, they had this skirt. I thought it was really nice. And this one you can take into fall, but it's like a nice pleated skirt. It's not picking up the like the cute little pleats and stuff on it, and then it has like the stretchy waist. They had these rag and bone shorts. I love rag and bone. So it's not another one, it's not picking up. It has like this nice little detail. It kind of looks like that Chanel kind of fabric, but different. You get what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't look denim. It doesn't look like that. It doesn't look like the tweed. It looks just a little different. But this dress right here, they had a lot of nice summer dresses, and I'm not talking about like some lightweight, but some with that like quality look, like you could wear it to the Hamptons or something like that. But this one's $60 right here, and then you see it had like the hook and eye in the front to keep your top from falling out of that. This skirt I thought was cute. I just thrifted a skirt kind of similar to this, and I want to change the waist to make it like more modern like this one is. But yeah, I like a little floral print skirt, and then a floral print skirt, you can pair it with like a solid top, something like one of the colors that are next to there, and then just have like a nice cute little look. This little crop top I thought was cute. I like a button up, I like a crop top, I like the whole look, and the way that the lines go in different directions, it just gives it like a different little look. This was sold separately. They have some cute sets in here though too, but this was sold separately. So you get the top, and you can see it has like all the little beading details and stuff like that to give it like that little burst of gold. And then you can get the skirt to go with it, but the back of the top has like the little stretch, so you have like the little shearing and stuff like that, so you can have that stretch to it. But and it is cropped, it is a crop shirt, so you can get the shirt and then you can get the skirt. So the skirt is going to be based on your height. It could be a midi, but more than likely it'll go around your ankles. But I said based on your height, how tall you are. So you can get those two pieces. This skirt, another one, I thought the details were cute on it. Just I like something so you can have like one piece with like some nice details to it, and then you can pair it with something solid. You can mix and match it. I like that one right there. And then it's like a little off-white, nice one. Like I said, a lot of good pieces in this one. This little, I like the jumpsuit. I used to live I had this denim jumpsuit, and I used to live in that thing. But $40 for this one right here, and it has a bit of stretch to it too. And then they had, like I said, a ton of nice little dresses, a ton of nice little sets in this Marshalls. This little dress right here, $30. And again, based on your height, depends on where it'll fall. This one right here had a lot of cute details in it too. It has like the little eyelet details, and then it has the details around the button up. It has the tie waist. It has like the drop waistline, if you can see. Just a lot of details in that one right there. And then because of the color of it, I think you could wear this again into fall. Just put on a nice little sweater or jacket or something like that, and you can really wear that one into fall. This one had a nice weight to it. So it's like knit with that nice weight to it. It keeps its shape, so it has better appearance to it. This right here, another cute one, and this one came in two different colors. So they had a lot of little midi ankle maxi type dresses at this Marshalls, but it has a little detail in the front, and that one came in two different colors. So you can see it has like the little keyhole detail, but then also the other detail, and this one had a stretch on it too. This a cute little set they had. So $40, you're gonna get the shirt. Again, it's cropped, but if you don't like cropped, because I sometimes I just pull up my bottom, so I'll get like high-waisted things and then wear the crop. So I'll pull up the bottom to above my belly button, and then I could wear the cute little crop tops. This right here, I just thought it was interesting. So they had a good amount of clearance at this one too. I thought it was interesting, the color, nice and bright. Just something, if you're looking to add like a little pop of color. This green, I'm in love with this green. So I love this color green. I don't know. So they had, this was on clearance too. Like I said, they had a good amount of clearance at this Marshalls. And like I said, this was like the combo. So there's the Marshalls and the Home Goods is on the other side of this one. This right here. So everybody does the little bag charms. I thought that was cute. They had like some smaller ones too. If you didn't want to do big ones, they had like some nice little costume jewelry. And you can see a lot of red tags. A lot of red tags because a lot of the things were on sale at this Marshalls. A lot of the jewelry though was outside of the box. So the jewelry, the little charms and stuff like that, they had in this section, and they had a good amount. I get a lot of my costume jewelry from Marshalls, TJ Maxx, because they have some really cute like statement pieces that you don't have to spend too much money on. I love the earring sets that you can get from like Marshalls and TJ Maxx. But yeah, they have a lot of cute stuff, and they hold, and a lot of this stuff, especially the earrings and stuff like that, kind of get designer. Like this one right here. This one is, I can't think of who, but they had like the little lattice things that we used to make like in school, and they had a version, but that's like a little glittery version of it. And then of course the bags, I have to stop by the bags anytime I do go to Marshalls or TJ Maxx. And this Marshalls had a lot of bags on clearance. So they had all the standard brands and stuff like that they carry at Marshalls, TJ Maxx. They had True Religion, Juicy, Marc Jacobs. They have Steve Madden. Just a lot of the brands that they always carry. But this whole row right here, most of the items in this were on clearance. So you get a bit of a discount on them. So they had a lot of red tags in this little row. They had a few rows of bags and backpacks and stuff like that. But like this whole row was mostly filled with clearance bags. So they had these right here. So strawberry shortcake, but from the bag, doesn't it give like Powerpuff Girls, like the little, but this one, Care Bears right here. And it's got that cute little heart shape to those, and those were both on clearance at this Marshalls. They had like a variety of bags, so if you didn't want like a character bag or something like that, they did have brands that you would know, like designer brands for bags and stuff. But just a lot of cute bags. I like a cute little fun bag, and my daughter, she has started picking up bags from Marshalls, TJ Maxx. She gets a lot of bags, so she loves pink. So Juicy Couture is good for that with the pink bags and stuff. She's picked up some of the True Religion ones. I've picked up some bags shaped like this. So they have like a lot of different ones, and they have like some nice ones too that are like real leather that you can get from Marshalls, TJ Maxx. And to me, the price isn't bad. They have like a nice structure to them. So yeah, always check out the bag section there. This one right here, it has that little crisscross braided detail like the other designer bag. They have a lot of dupes at Marshalls and TJ Maxx for those type bags too that you can grab. But like I said, along with just a lot of brands that you might know. But like I said, I love a good, nice shaped, structured bag. And this was on clearance. I don't know how much for though, because the tag was torn off. So it's going to be somewhere lower than the $69 that it was advertised at, but I'm not sure. These cute and simple. I like the little detail on the logo right there. I usually don't like too many logos, but I don't mind the True Religion logo. It's nice and simple. I like it. Swimsuits, they still have a lot of swimsuits in at this Marshalls, and a lot of nice swimsuits too. So not the standard regular swimsuit like style, but just some cute little extra details in them. And they had a lot of swimsuits that I would definitely wear for the season. They give you like that nice simple look, and they had some nice cover-ups too to go with them. A nice white swimsuit, you can't lose with that, and that one is strapless. It has like the padding and stuff in it, and then it has like the little belt detail, which is super cute. They had some ones with pops of color in them that you can grab, like nice little prints and stuff like that. Just a good variety of swimsuits. They have two-piece ones too. I didn't really go through the two-piece swimsuits too much, but they did have a lot of cute two-piece swimsuits too at this Marshalls. Like I said, this Marshalls, I haven't been here in a while, but they had a lot of cute stuff. I was like really pleased with the variety of different things that they did have at this Marshalls. Like I said, they had some cute cover-ups and stuff that you can grab at this Marshalls. They had just different styles. They had like shirt style ones. They had like pullover ones. They had a lot of cute different ones. This right here, I love a good like mesh looking, like wide mesh fishnet kind of mesh detail. I used to have like a swimsuit cover up like that. It was two pieces. It was my mother's, but it had like the top, it had like the pants. Love that. So that looks kind of like that, but it has like the little gold hardware detail on that one right there. This one was my favorite. of the pieces. One, I love Kate Spade. Kate Spade does a lot of cute little pieces and different things, especially bags and stuff like that. But just the print on this super nice, and the way the cups were up top, I thought that one was super cute. And like I said, just some regular cover-ups that you can grab, and they weren't too much for those right there. A lot of cute sundresses. Like I said, these aren't necessarily sundresses, but nice lightweight dresses for the season. And then they have like a little extra detail. We went to Victoria's Secret because they were having, like this sale. They had a dress like that with that detail. I think it was like $80. I think it was like $80 for the dress. This one right here, $20 for that. But you can get a lot of cute pieces. This one right here, another nice print, and nice and long. And that's like the one thing I love about summer. You just put you on a nice sundress and you can go. I'm a little thicker, so I put on a nice sundress and some biker shorts underneath, so we not rubbing and starting fires. But a lot of cute dresses. This right here, a jumpsuit, love it. So this one right here was strapless, and it has like this stretchy top, and then it also has pockets on the side, which I am a lover of pockets. That's like the first thing I look for. Not that I'm like shoving everything in my pockets, but I love to have good pocket. It's someplace too to do something to do with your hands when you don't know what to do with yourself when you're like standing around. But yeah, it has pockets, it's strapless, and the print was nice too for the season. And that was another one too that you can just toss on a jacket and go for like the fall or something like that. And then they had the dress in other colors too, so a lot of nice neutrals that you can take out of summer and bring them into the following season. This dress right here had a lot of cute details on it. So it had the stretchy back, it had like the flutter style sleeves, it had like the little tiny ruffle details on it. Just a lot of cute details on that dress. This one right here, a nice knit dress is a great basic for any season. In the store, I thought this was black, but looking at it now, it looks like a navy blue. So I don't know if the camera is lying to me or my eyes were lying to me in the store. This one right here, another cute dress with some cute details, nice and long, lightweight for the season, and some stretch to it. So I love something with some stretch, so you're just not all tight and and constricted in it. But if you are getting something that doesn't have stretch, one, make sure you get your size. Sometimes when it doesn't have stretch though, you're gonna have to get it tailored, to kind of fit you and hug you in the places that it needs to, and not in the places that it doesn't. A lot of cute summer pieces still in at Marshalls. So they had these little studded shorts. They have a lot of cute tops in at this Marshalls. Like I said, I haven't been to this Marshalls in years. So like I said, I was happy with the finds that I did find at this Marshalls. And like I said, they had some designer stuff in too. They have like designer sunglasses and stuff in here, but a lot of inexpensive stuff too. So all the tops, good price to me. To me, these were a good price. And then you can get some shorts, some toss and go outfits here. Just something simple for the season, so you don't have to put too much effort into it. A lot of cute dresses, like I said. So they have, if you're not into long, I like a long dress, but if you're not into long dresses, then you can get some shorter style dresses. They have like the little bubble skirt style dresses. They have just regular cute little dresses that you can grab. Like I said, these are some of the cute sets that they had at this Marshalls. So I'm a sucker for a good set. I did see another set at a different was it Marshalls or TJ Maxx? I can't remember. I wanted to go back and get it, so I need to remember where. But it was like the sleeveless sweater top and then like the nice long skirt. So cute. But these are cute too. So we have the strapless one there. And then they have other sets too. So if you don't want a skirt set, you can get a pant set. So they had that. And then it has like that print to it and stuff. And these, to me, not a bad price at all. This one was another set here. And you can see like this stretchy waist on it. So you could be comfortable for the season, and you can pull that up high. I like anything that I could make into a high waist, especially when it comes with a crop top. I need it to be a high waist if it's going to be a crop top. So this one right here with the little cute shirt to go with it. And again, the stretchiness in the back of the shirt there. So like it has stretch in it. The purses, like I said, a lot of good neutral items, because these, you could wear them right now, but these would look, the colors, so nice in the fall. I love a good olive piece. A good olive piece is great for the fall, but they had like some brighter colors. But these would be so nice for the fall into the winter. And then they have, okay, I didn't get there yet, but they have one that I have not seen before, and I thought it was so cute. This one is cute with the clear and then the little lemon piece inside and stuff too. Just a lot of cute ones, Juicy Couture, all that. This one right here, so cute. Can you see the shape? The shape is so cute. $30 for that. I just thought that was something cute. And then you can get like the matching print style in the wallet there. So you can have like the wallet bag, or you can have that one, or you can grab both. But like a lot of the Juicy Couture pieces. So I've been seeing these a lot lately. Before it used to be like a hunt to find a Juicy Couture piece at Marshalls or TJ Maxx or something like that. But it seems they're keeping them in stock way more. And then they offer different colors in the same style bag. Like that one my daughter got, but they have that in different colors too. And then you can see same kind of style, but like a different shape. So you can get a lot of different options now with like Juicy Couture at Marshalls, at TJ Maxx. And you don't, I feel like you don't have to be on the hunt so much for it anymore, because they're cranking out more and more for the season, just like the Juicy sweatsuits. You can find them at Marshalls, TJ Maxx. They go fast there though, but a lot of different stores are carrying them too. But they are cheaper at like Marshalls, TJ Maxx, and BJ's. BJ's has them too. You can get both the pieces and stuff. But yeah, so if you're looking for juicy stuff now, it's easier to find. It's like back in the day when it came out. It's like reverted back to the day. So these are some of the designer sunglasses that they had. Like I said, they had a lot of options. They were locked behind the glass, and I don't like disturbing anybody if I'm not gonna actually purchase. But you can see they had like brands like Fendi, all kind of different stuff. But yeah, what was your favorite one from today?